Imagine walking into a car dealership today. On one side of the showroom sits a brand new economy SUV. It has a small turbo engine, a lot of plastic inside, and a price tag that feels surprisingly high for what it offers. On the other side sits something very different, a vehicle that once cost $80,000, sometimes even $90,000. A flagship luxury machine built with real wood trim, hand-stitched leather, and an engine engineered to run for hundreds of thousands of miles. But today, because of depreciation, that same luxury machine might cost the same as a used economy car. So here's the real question. Would you rather drive a brand new basic vehicle or a proven luxury SUV that has already survived 100,000 miles and still runs perfectly? Most people immediately assume something. They believe that buying cheap luxury is dangerous. They think luxury cars become financial nightmares once they get older. Expensive repairs, constant problems, and complicated technology. That belief is so common that millions of buyers avoid older luxury vehicles completely. But here's the truth that many mechanics quietly admit. Some luxury SUVs were engineered so well that they can easily run 300,000, 400,000, or even 500,000 miles with proper maintenance. These vehicles were designed during a time when manufacturers were competing to prove how durable and overbuilt their engineering could be. And because luxury vehicles depreciate so aggressively, those machines eventually become unbelievably affordable. Today we are going to look at 5 luxury SUVs that quietly earned reputations for extreme durability. Vehicles that once represented the best engineering their companies could produce. Vehicles that lost up to 80% of their original price but kept up nearly all of their reliability. The first owner paid the luxury tax. The first owner absorbed the massive depreciation, and now the smart buyer gets the reward. But before we reveal these SUVs, there is one concept you need to understand because it explains why these opportunities even exist in the first place. Luxury. Depreciation is one of the most powerful forces in the automotive market. The moment a brand new luxury SUV leaves the dealership lot, its value begins to fall. And not slowly. In many cases, a luxury vehicle can lose $20,000 to $30,000 within the first 3 years. Imagine someone buying a luxury SUV for $70,000. 3 years later, that same vehicle might only be worth $40,000. And after 5 or 6 years, the price could fall even further. Here is the interesting part. Nothing about the vehicle itself suddenly became worse. The engine didn't become weaker. The suspension didn't forget how to deliver a smooth ride. The interior didn't suddenly stop being comfortable. The only thing that changed was the number on the price tag. This phenomenon creates what many car enthusiasts call the first owner sacrifice. Wealthy buyers often want the newest design, the newest technology, and the newest model year. They enjoy the experience of driving a vehicle that just came out. So they buy or lease new luxury SUVs and then move on to the next one just a few years later. When that happens, the previous vehicle enters the used car market. The price drops dramatically because it is no longer new, but the engineering remains exactly the same. That means a smart buyer can purchase a machine that was originally designed to compete with the best vehicles in the world for a fraction of the original price, and some of these vehicles are so durable that they continue running for decades. The first SUV on this list is a perfect example of quiet durability and long-term engineering. The Lexus GX 460 has built one of the strongest reputations for reliability in the luxury SUV market. It does not receive as much attention as flashy European luxury vehicles, but mechanics and experienced owners know something important about this SUV. It is built like a tank. The reason for this reputation comes from its foundation. The GX 460 is closely related to the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado platform, which was designed for extreme conditions around the world. Toyota engineers built this platform to survive desert environments, harsh off-road terrain, and places where regular maintenance facilities might not even exist. Because of that mission, the engineering philosophy was simple. Overbuild everything. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 4.6-liter V8 engine. Unlike many modern turbocharged engines, this V8 is designed with simplicity and durability in mind. It delivers smooth power, strong torque, and extremely long service life when maintained properly. Owners regularly report mileage numbers exceeding 300,000 miles with only routine maintenance. The body-on-frame construction adds even more durability because it allows the vehicle to handle rough terrain without stressing the structure. Inside the cabin, the GX 460 still delivers a true luxury experience. Soft leather seating, high-quality materials, and a quiet ride make it feel far more expensive than its current used car price suggests. When new, many GX 460 models sold for around $65,000 or more. Today, depending on mileage and condition, You can often find one for $15,000 to $20,000. That means you are essentially buying a luxury SUV built with Land Cruiser durability for the price of a typical used crossover. The next SUV on this list proves that. Sometimes the most reliable luxury vehicles are also the most underrated. The Acura MDX has quietly become one of the most dependable luxury SUVs on the road. For years, it has combined Honda engineering reliability with premium features and comfortable design, yet it rarely receives the same attention as German competitors. That actually works in the buyer's favor, because the MDX offers something extremely rare. It delivers luxury comfort and advanced technology while maintaining the long-term reliability Honda is known for. Engine powering many MDX models is a 3.5-liter V6 that has been refined through years of development across multiple Honda and Acura vehicles. Mechanics trust this engine because it has proven itself over millions of miles of real-world driving. With proper care, it can easily exceed 200,000 miles. And many examples go far beyond that. One of the engineering highlights of the MDX is the super handling all-wheel drive system. Unlike traditional all-wheel drive systems that simply distribute power evenly, this system actively sends torque to different wheels to improve stability and cornering performance. The result is an SUV that feels more controlled and responsive than many vehicles in its class. At the same time, it remains comfortable and practical enough for everyday driving. Inside the cabin, you find premium materials, advanced safety technology, and seating for up to 7 passengers. The combination of luxury and reliability has made the MDX one of the most balanced SUVs in the market, when many MDX models were priced around $50,000 or more. Today, a well-maintained example can often be purchased for between $12,000 and $18,000. That represents a dramatic drop in price for a vehicle that still has years of reliable service ahead. The third SUV on this list might be the most legendary name in the entire automotive world when it comes to durability. The Toyota Land Cruiser has earned a reputation that few vehicles can match. For decades, it has been used in some of the harshest environments on the planet. From remote deserts to rugged mountains, the Land Cruiser has proven itself as one of the most durable vehicles ever built. Toyota engineers designed the Land Cruiser with a very specific philosophy: reliability above everything else. Components are built stronger than necessary. Cooling systems are oversized to handle extreme temperatures. Drivetrain parts are engineered to survive heavy use for years. Because of this over-engineering, it is not unusual to see Land Cruisers with 400,000 miles still running reliably. Some have even reached 500,000 miles with proper maintenance. The SUV's body-on-frame construction provides exceptional durability for off-road driving and long-term structural strength. Meanwhile, the powerful V8 engines used in many Land Cruiser models deliver both strong performance and long service life. Inside the cabin, the Land Cruiser offers luxury comfort combined with practical design. High-quality materials, smooth ride quality, and spacious seating make it just as comfortable on long highway trips as it is capable on rough terrain. When new, many Land Cruisers sold for over $90,000. Today, older models can sometimes be found in the $20,000 range, depending on condition and mileage. That may still seem expensive compared to other used SUVs, but considering the vehicle's durability and legendary reputation, many buyers consider it one of the smartest long-term investments in the automotive world. The fourth SUV on this list shows that luxury and practicality can sometimes exist in the same package without attracting too much attention. The Toyota Highlander may not always be considered a traditional luxury vehicle, but certain trims deliver an experience that feels remarkably premium. With high-quality interiors, smooth ride quality, and advanced safety features, it provides comfort that rivals many more expensive SUVs. Under the hood sits Toyota's well-known 3.5-liter V6 engine. This engine has built an outstanding reputation for reliability over the years. Many Highlanders equipped with this powertrain easily surpass 200,000 miles, and some reach 300,000 miles or more. The Highlander is also known for its practicality. It offers 3 rows of seating, good fuel efficiency for its size, and a comfortable ride suitable for both city driving and long road trips. Maintenance costs are generally lower than those of many luxury SUVs, which makes it an appealing option for buyers who want comfort without expensive upkeep. Because the Highlander is often viewed primarily as a family SUV rather than a luxury vehicle, depreciation can make used models surprisingly affordable. Vehicles that once sold for around $45,000 can now sometimes be found between $12,000 and $16,000, depending on age and condition. And finally, we arrive at the SUV that many enthusiasts consider the ultimate example of luxury combined with legendary reliability. The Lexus LX570 represents the peak of Japanese luxury SUV engineering. Built on the same basic platform as the Toyota Land Cruiser, it takes durability and adds a higher level of refinement, technology, and comfort. Under the hood sits a powerful 5.7-liter V8 engine known for its smooth performance and impressive durability. This engine delivers strong acceleration while remaining incredibly reliable when properly maintained. Many examples have already proven capable of running hundreds of thousands of miles. The rest of the LX570 follows the same philosophy. Heavy-duty construction, advanced suspension systems, and a strong drivetrain create a vehicle capable of handling both luxury highway cruising and demanding off-road terrain. Inside the cabin, the LX offers a truly premium experience. Soft leather surfaces, detailed craftsmanship, and advanced technology features create an environment that feels closer to a high-end luxury sedan than a rugged SUV. When new, the Lexus LX570 often sold for more than $90,000. Today, older models can sometimes be found between $25,000 and $35,000, depending on mileage and condition. That represents a dramatic reduction in price for one of the most durable luxury SUVs ever produced. Of course, buying any used luxury vehicle requires careful inspection. Smart buyers always check maintenance history, service records, and overall condition before making a purchase. Regular oil changes, proper transmission, servicing, and suspension condition can make a huge difference in how long a vehicle continues to perform reliably. A vehicle can easily last twice as long as one that was neglected. The important thing to remember is that luxury vehicles do not automatically become unreliable simply because they get older. In many cases, the opposite is true. Once depreciation removes the high price tag, these vehicles can become some of the smartest purchases available in the used car market. You are essentially buying the best engineering a company could produce, but without paying the original luxury price. And that brings us back to the question we asked at the beginning. Would you rather drive a brand new economy SUV filled with plastic and basic features, or a proven luxury machine built to deliver comfort, performance, and durability for hundreds of thousands of miles? For many smart buyers, the answer becomes obvious once they understand how depreciation works. Now I'm curious what you think. Which of these SUVs would you choose if you were looking for a long-lasting luxury vehicle? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering hidden automotive value like this, make sure to subscribe because there are many more vehicles out there that most buyers completely overlook.